If you thought Friday's earthquake was crazy, well, imagine being under the knife at that time. Dr. Jean-Paul Tutela is a plastic surgeon who says he had a patient on the operating table.
I was actually in the middle of an operation, of a breast augmentation operation, and I was just sitting the patient up to see, how everything looked. And really at that moment, her breast started jiggling.
That's when Dr. Tutela noticed it wasn't just his patient.
That's peculiar, and so then I realized it wasn't just her, but it was the rest of the room.
The patient being operated on was Kendall Massey.
Dr. Tutela is amazing at what he does. I've been following him for a while, and I decided to go through it. That I've been thinking about it for a while.
The procedure lasted just under an hour. Dr. Tutela says thankfully the quake hit toward the end and not during the main part of the operation.
You're making incisions, dissecting, skin and breast tissue away from the chest wall, making sure any bleeding is under control, and during that whole process, you're obviously near other vital structures.
Massey was under anesthesia at the time, so she didn't feel a thing. Instead, she woke up to people telling her about it.
Once I was starting to feel more back to myself, I was thinking like, oh my gosh, I hope it wasn't like when he was like cutting and making incisions and stuff like that. But I mean, I'm fine. Everything worked out. I'm already feeling so amazing.
She came back for a checkup, and sure enough, everything's normal. But coincidentally, this isn't the first time she's had an experience like this.
My birthday was yesterday, and I turned 30, and I was born in California during an earthquake. So I brought the earthquake to New Jersey, I guess.
In Livingston, Amanda Lee, News 12 New Jersey.